Top 10. Best fishing rod seat to catch more fish. No matter what kind of fishing you plan, fishing rod is the most important part of it. Number 10. KastKing BlackHawk Telescopic Rod. Be using the model for years to come. The stainless steel material of the KastKing BlackHawk Telescopic fishing rod keeps it from breaking under pressure. Combine this with its portable, lightweight design, and you have a fishing rod that can be used in any environment. Telescopic fishing rod style. Lightweight and portable. Stainless steel material. Number 9. Daiwa Sweepfire Medium. While Sweepfire Medium spinning rod is meant for those just beginning to use custom rods. Since it is 6 feet long, and meant for medium action, it is great for those fishing for fish that are common in most ponds. The Daiwa Sweepfire Medium spinning rod in style. Available in multiple sizes. Medium action style rod. Comfortable handle. Number 8. Shimano Solora 2-piece spinning rod. You're offshore fishing, this rod has you covered. The Shimano Solora 2-piece spinning rod helps to secure your investment. If you want a rod that will last you for many years to come, the Shimano Solora 2-piece spinning rod is the product you want to invest in. Medium power fishing rod. Solid locking graphite reel seat. Trusted Shimano brand name. Our newest choice only be seen at fishfindly.com. Search best fishing rods or simply click below the video description link. Fish Findly fishing guides and gears reviewed by experts. Number 7. Shimano FXS 2-piece spinning rod. Superior amount of control and durability over the competition. Additionally, it provides a unique shine to the look of the product, making it beautiful to look at. The Shimano brand name has been making quality fishing rods for years. Durable airglass material. Reinforced aluminum oxide guides. Solid locking graphite reel seat. Number 6. Shakespeare Micro Spinning Rod, PLUSINNO. Its conventional seat, cushioned hoods, and graphite composite rod material combine to make it as strong and durable as a regular size model, but in a compact, easy to transport package. If you only like purchasing stylish fishing rods. Full cork handle material. Conventional reel seat. Stainless steel rod material. Number 5. Ugly Stik Elite Spinning Rod. A comfortable wooden handle and using a fishing gloves makes all the difference for fishermen who use their rods for long periods. The Ugly Stik Elite Spinning Rod is one of the most well-crafted fishing rods out there, and its stylish design will keep you happy while fishing. Available in multiple sizes. Great overall control. Comfortable wooden handle. Number 4. Shimano Stimula 2-piece spin rod. Model that will suit you best. Since the Shimano Stimula 2-piece spin rod features a P-cork handle material, it is comfortable to use for long periods at a time. If you are going to use it to catch fish on a hunting trip, this feature will come in particularly useful. Ultra lightweight. Fast action capabilities. 2-piece rod design. Our newest choice only be seen at fishfindly.com. Search best fishing rods or simply click below the video description link. Fish Findly fishing guides and gears reviewed by experts. Number 3. PLUSINNO Telescopic Fishing Rod. Beware? The PLUSINNO Telescopic Fishing Rod is highly portable, and features an insane amount of elasticity. Due to this, it can be transported in small containers, without fear of it breaking. Since it features a telescopic fishing rod style. Telescopic fishing rod style. Highly portable. Fiberglass material. Number 2. Ugly Stik Elite Casting Rod. Design that will serve you well for years to come. You need to invest in the durable and full-functioning Ugly Stik Elite Casting Rod. Since it is perfect for advanced fishermen, however, it is not recommended for those without extensive fishing experience. Extremely durable design. Perfect for advanced fishermen. Available in multiple sizes. Number 1. Shakespeare Ugly Stik GX2, Fishing. If you are dealing with fish like bass and trout, you will be well served by this fantastic fishing rod. Additionally, the Shakespeare Ugly Stik GX2 spinning rod comes with an ultra-sleek look to it, will help you successfully fish in a wide variety of terrains. One-piece rod construction. Medium heavy power design. Low weight and slick look. Our newest choice only be seen at fishfindly.com. Search best fishing rods or simply click below the video description link. Fish Findly fishing guides and gears reviewed by experts.